Hi, welcome to Answers Q. This is Surinder here. Are you a MBA student who graduated recently and still looking for a good job, or a MBA student who is going to graduate in few more months? In whichever category you fall under, you have a very good job opportunity at one of the leading IT companies in India, that is Tata Consultancy Services. Yes, TCS is hiring specially for MBA graduates who have recently passed out and who are going to pass out in the year of 2022. So we'll see more details regarding this TCS management hiring in this video. Watch till the end. So this TCS recruitment for MBA graduates is a three-step process. First, you have to register for the test, and then you have to appear for the test, and based upon the test performance, the students will be shortlisted and then they will be called for the interview, and based upon their performance in the interview, they'll be given jobs at TCS, that is Tata Consultancy Services. So this is how it works. So the last date to register for this MBA hiring is 9th of November 2021. So make sure to register before the end date so that you do not miss this golden opportunity to work in TCS. And this recruitment is open for all the candidates from India who have done their MBA and passed out in the year of 2020, 2021, and for those who are going to pass out in the year of 2022. So first, let us move on and see the eligibility criteria. So to appear for the test, the minimum age should be 18 and the maximum age should be 28 years. And students who have completed full-time MBA, MMS, PG, DBA, PGTM course in marketing, finance, operations, supply chain management, IT, general management, business analytics, project management can appear for the test. Can apply for this test. And percentage is given here. Minimum aggregate of at least 60% or more than that is required in class 10th, class 12th, diploma, graduation, post-graduation, which means you should have at least score 60% throughout your education, and the background can be BTech prior to MBA, and even if you have done integrated MBA, which means if you have completed MBA after your class 12th, you are still eligible to take this test. And students from the year of 2020, 2021 and 2022 passing out batch are only eligible to appear for this test, and any prior work experience will be considered and it will be added bonus. And students should not have any backlogs. So here it is, you shouldn't have any backlogs when you appear for TCS selection process. And if you have done extended education, you are not eligible for this MBA hiring. So you can see here students should not have any extended education in their highest qualification, and educational gap should not exceed 2 years, and you should have completed regular full-time schooling only. So these are the basic eligibility criteria that are given by TCS. Now let us move on and see the details regarding the test. So in the test, you will get 47 questions and you will get 90 minutes to complete the test. And in the test, you will get 7 verbal aptitude questions, 20 quantitative aptitude questions, and 20 business aptitude questions. So this is the test details given by TCS for this MBA hiring. And now you might have some questions in your mind. So let us take a look at frequently asked questions. So in the FAQ section, they have covered all the questions like where you can register and what you have to do and what is the exam pattern, what is the eligibility criteria, which specializations are eligible, when will I receive login credentials for test. So they have given all the important details here. You can just go through it. We'll just see a few important questions here. So when will you receive login credentials for test is an important thing to note. So once you register for the test, you will receive the login credentials 2 days prior to the date of test, and date of test is yet to be announced. So wait for the announcement. And then when are the interviews scheduled? So interview schedule will be communicated to only shortlisted students based upon the test performance. So you will get that information to your registered email ID itself. So as I said, the online test date is yet to be announced. So stay tuned. And when are the interviews scheduled? Again, this is just the same questions. Interview details will be shared via mail to the students who are selected. And if I already have a CT or DT number, do I have to register again? So if you already have a CT or DT reference number, you can just log into Next Step portal of TCS and you can just proceed to application form. So if you have already applied to some jobs in TCS, you might know what is this CT or DT number. If you do not know this, do not worry, it's just a simple reference number. So more details regarding the exam and all those registration process is given here. You can just go through it if you want. So now let us move on and see how to apply for this job opportunity in TCS. So here is a detailed explanation on how to apply for this management hiring in TCS. So you can see here the first step is to log into the TCS Next Step portal. You can just click here and you will be directed to another page like this. Wait a second, it is loading here, and here you have to click on register and create your account first if you do not have one. So these are the two scenarios which they have already explained. So if you are a registered user, you can just log in. You know how to do it. Just log in and complete the application form, and after completing the after submitting the application form, you have to click on apply for Drive. So this is scenario 1, and if you are a new user, if you are new to this TCS hiring and Next Step portal, you can simply click on this register now, and then you have to choose the IT category here. You have to definitely select only IT category here. If you do it for BPS, then you have to re-register for IT category. So just choose IT category and submit the application, and it's similar. Just after completing the application form, you have to click on apply for Drive. So after submitting your application, you have to click on apply for Drive. This is same for both existing users and new users, and here they have given that the mode of test will be remote only. So you can just select your mode of test as remote and click on apply, and then to confirm your status, you can just track your application and the status should reflect as applied for Drive. So if you have completely applied to this particular hiring, you should be seeing this thing in your dashboard, applied for Drive. So make sure that you are clicking on this apply for Drive button once you have submitted your application. So this is how you need to apply for this TCS management hiring. I hope you will find this video useful. If you want to get more updates about jobs, internships, workshops and other online events, subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.